It's Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and in this video I'm going to show you how to run Deepseek on an M1 Mac. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open up a web browser, and we're going to go to Ollama.com, and we're going to click on download, and then we're going to click on download for macOS. And Ollama is the software that lets us run the models. So now that we have Ollama downloaded, we can just open it up and drag it to our applications folder. And then we can open it, and then we need to enter our password for Ollama to be able to install. So you can just enter our password. So now that Ollama is installed, we can open up a terminal, and the first thing we need to do is download the Deepseek model. So you can just run Ollama poll Deepseek-R1:7B, and this is going to be the amount of parameters you want to install. And this is going to vary depending on how much hardware you have. So then we can just press enter, and it's going to download the Deepseek model. And this model is 4.7 gigabytes, so it's probably going to take a while. And now that we have Deepseek downloaded, we can just close the terminal, and then we can open up Ollama by clicking the icon in the menu bar, and we can click on Open Ollama. And then we can click on Gemma 3.1 billion and change it to Deepseek. And then you can just ask it whatever question you want. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye!